Hey guys, let me show you how to use a magnification shortcut feature on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So for this we're gonna open settings first and find this accessibility tab. Click it and choose vision enhancements. And now you need to scroll till you see this magnification feature. Click it and now let's enable it by clicking on this switcher. And now you can set up how to trigger this magnification feature. You can tap accessibility button on the bottom of the screen. You can press side and volume up buttons right here. You can press and hold volume up and volume down buttons for 3 seconds, or you can triple tap the screen. I'm gonna remain this triple tap screen. So let's take a look at this function. So I'm gonna triple tap the screen and now we have triggered the magnifier. And triple tap again to close it, just like this. And now let's choose another action. For example, tap accessibility button. So now to trigger this feature, we need to tap this button, just like this. And tap it again to close. So that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.